ngasai wari mayam se am tin nuai ni ko ai san libi mayam se but ai wari su mayam sa doi ne mom sa biro adai intervention mayam se wari loi khangning ne ba ado mayam su loi lihan ning ba and beyond that I think what ko pusaning is na ngasai petrol gi matang di tawsi memes mayam bai loi se memes ai di even pukham da thau khitang hena yaw ba kan da America gi ngasai helicopter paisalak pa gi memes
ai mai da
oily oil so thau khitang le de hekta America sang selak pa gi adagi then koi gi Telangana do sengtok na ba do Telangana hai state Telangana thau kam le gi na Donald Trump na hangka da ti la ji thau na te ga hai bi do ai di sigi memes me ma America na he bu chang ta ra ga di madu resource khar le bi gi na tra thau le bi gi ni hai ba je sigi sida sigi memes ki trend je kamaina observe to
masi kai no ne American history is the sarcasm ne humor ne sarcasm humor ani mong ne depending on the masi kaya me am chung ge hai matam da Iraq ta we thau Panama da attack ta we thau
Libya thau
ai sum nei na ai ne MPhil tam ni da ko ge as a senior research fellow in MPhil da 2000 taram ki mamang around 2014 join wari aina MPhil da SRF in a train to during da American Studies Department special sida ai to je mazai na paper ma katang i ba paper sida America gi magi intervention se masi globally sida Latin America South America yaw mazai aina sum nei na matam na maram ani khatane man intervention to ris han da economic side sima haidi US ki koige magi
economic interest
for example Venezuela gi oil US ki kitang chumakado pot am sulai ba intervention support to na ta Venezuela justify to da Venezuela factual kharane Venezuela gi oil industry se chawkala ko discover to da ki ase refine to ro gi masi ki stage process se American companies ma khaina ne not Chinese not Russians not Soviets American companies ngakta ne Yanaramidana. Hugo Chavez Lakpataki regime change Toropoda, Yanadaki Yanada. American companies, Magadi, capitalism in America. Aduna, Matamatangi presidents, pressure PO. More America, Pesa funding, legal name, open name. Kanana Kaya, Bill Gates Nakaya Pirakani, Microsoft Nakaya Pirakani, Medikange. President Amalepa the 1 billion, 2 billion Jange. Simakaja American companies, Makani, Maru in oil companies, Makaja. Makoi makai pressure ne ba
yes
moi da chummi kai no da moi sagala ko Venezuelan oil industry sagala ko American companies makai ne hundreds of American energy companies me amna tie up to ne aduna hekta China di yom thoki ba adu su competitor amada adu su reason du ginat ta America da how dare you have questions in it
yes
how Venezuela da America je oil reserves se moi haidokte sum khanga da di Venezuela the American oil reserves in Colombia. America has received a hydroctree, more explore of 3 years. Futuristic in a change Amalega, Mayam Kangakanda, I took any heavy mom there. Other America is going off chart come there. America, how the car labor gira my pesa by the way, not table. How did how guinea futuristic name? Kayumba Chinese influence Makaisin Einhabido. Venezuela the $105 billion level China. 2016 Baugi were in around 24-25 years that all money. Venezuela economy is how the technology from Hawaii is Venezuela the motor. I think it's ZTE guy like Island the Kaida. 6 Chinese company Natane the Chinese economy is kind of economic integration with Venezuela how everything name was the military. See US no pam there.